Hey, welcome. I've just finished another great trading session with binary options. If you want to know how much I made starting with 50 bucks, how I did it, watch this video till the end. We're going to start right now. My name's Oliver. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're going to start today with $50. I'm using an RSI, relative strength indicator, as oscillator, and super trend and fractal as my indicators. We're gonna use those and see where we can get with 50 bucks. The first one, I'm gonna go ahead and place my option to, let's have a look. I'm expecting, let's go with $50 with the call option here, because I'm expecting this to go through the super trend line, which is acting a bit like a resistance there, but and not really breakthrough, but because it moves up with you, but as if it would basically, as if it would go through it. And yeah, let's the fractal as well. I'm using the fractal here, and it goes with my decision. So yeah, let's wait for the result and continue. Here's the first profit from this option, $96. We're gonna continue with $90 for our next option. I already put that in, and let's change the currency and look at that. Right, so I'm gonna go with a short here. So see what I mean? This is what I mean by breaking through. It doesn't really break through the super trend line, but at a certain moment it does. So it looks as if it broke through a level, and in this case it did. It went, so it ends up below the super trend line. So that's it. That's the idea. And that's a good indication to go into a short if it goes below, or if it goes up, it's a good long indication. As well as RSI was pointing down, that's another indication. And also fractals are also pretty bearish. So let's wait for the result and continue. And here is the profit from this option already, 177. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. This helps channel very much. You know that. And let's not forget about the description of this video, where I keep the invitation link to the Telegram group, where me and my team, we share our experience and in reading those indications. Let's go with a long here. That's a good bullish impulse there, and we came out of the flat market there, of so-called flat. We came out with a good bullish impulse, and also the yeah, we're breaking through. I think we're breaking through the super trend here. So let's see. Maybe. Yeah, so let's wait for the result and continue. Here's the profit from this option, $321 we have to put toward our next option. Let's do exactly that. Not this one. Okay, so let's get in there. 3, 2, 1. Go to this one here. Okay, how about this here? We're reaching support levels there, as you can see. So let's go with the call option, because we're likely to bounce off this support level. And even if it's only for a pullback, small situation, we're likely to benefit from it. So let's wait for the result and continue. Here we have a profit from this next option, $620 on our balance already, $620 towards our next option we're gonna put, and that's we're getting somewhere. We started with 50 bucks. As you can see, the compound percent also works in a way that every time you use the entire winnings, the entire profit from every correct option, you are going to make growth exponential. I made this option 620 1 minute put option. As you can see, the situation happens. I mean, when you know how to read so it doesn't need every time explanation. As you can see, we're breaking through the super trend line as a level. So this works for us as an indication. Let's wait for the result and continue. Here is the profit, guys. We're in the 4 numbers now. 1,196 on balance. We're gonna go with, let's have a look. Should we go with 1,000? Actually, no, we're gonna use the entirety. Guys, by the way, I want to mention that in the group, in the Telegram group, you can find a lot of useful info on trading in general, and then specifically with binary options. So you can learn and create your own strategies and use it for your own experience, use it for your own trading. You can learn from watching these videos, but also you need to know about the patterns, how the indicators work, how the oscillators work, what they're for, how to use them in conjunction, how to create. And this is a creating your own strategy. And then if you don't need to work with different assets like I do, for example. Let's just go ahead, and otherwise I talk too much. Let's go here. And so see this bullish impulse there. Let's go with a call option here, because I think this is more like a pullback, and we entered at the bottom of a pullback, so we're likely to go up and break through this maybe this a resistance super trend line. As I was saying, you can make your own strategies. And basically, you don't need to work on different assets. You can work with one asset, and sometimes it's even better because you watch that asset and you learn how it behaves, basically. And then you can work with various, and then you know them very well. And then you read their patterns, you read their behaviors, you use the indications in the correct way. Practice, train, and learn, and you can make profit from this. The invitation link is in the description to this video. So let's wait for the time to go on this option, and we continue. And here it is. I spoke through the most of it. $2,201 of profit on this occasion. Pretty good. We're definitely getting to some good profit today in this trading session. Let's use 2,000 maybe for the next option. We're almost doubling it, and then you get, on top of that, you get 85% of the payout on this one, and then others can have a bit higher. 93, I can see there, 93%, 91, 89, and 83. You need to keep an eye on those, because see, it just jumped to 77%, which is like way lower, right? 93% or 77. That's a huge difference there. So let's go, 2,000 is good. Let's go to 93%, and let's see what's happening here. We're gonna go ahead and, okay, this is, oh, by the way, this is getting to to a support, I'm gonna go with also fractal, and I'll go with a call option. Fractal's going with a call signal, and also the support level there is given us the support basically. So let's wait for the result and continue. There we have our profit. Guys, this is more than enough for this trading session, for this tiny trading session starting with 50 bucks. We made some nice profit today. We're gonna stop here. Hope you enjoyed it. Well done, and see you next time.